vegetable names with Tiny Purr. This is a radish. This is a lettuce. Lettuce.
This is a tomato.
This is an onion.
Onion. This is asparagus. Izzy, asparagus.
Look, it's corn.
Corn. Yay, corn!
Look, this is a carrot.
Look at this.
It's broccoli.
Wow, so green. Yay! This is a potato.
This is a pumpkin.
This is a spinach. This is a cucumber. Great job! Let's see the next vegetable. Bye-bye!